I just saw today on Facebook that a good friend that I went to high school with completely lost her home.
As a fire destroys parts of Southern California, creating darkness all around, here in Utah, there's light, where Utahns are ready to help in big and small ways. I'm Maya Constantino reporting in Salt Lake City. Utahns say they don't know what to expect from this disaster, but when the time comes, they'll be ready for those in need. Utahns John Marfield and his husband this week offered up their home to anyone who's been affected by the fires.
If there's anyone out there in that position, we definitely have room in our home here to help host people if they need it.
And as an LA native, this hits close to home.
Kind of in disbelief a little bit that this is actually happening, but the more I see on social media and the pictures that my family and my friends are sending me is kind of horrifying. Feels a little bit unreal.
John and his husband aren't the only ones who are ready to step in. Executive Director of American Red Cross in Northern Utah, Michael Smolden, says they're on standby and are continuing conversations with the hundreds of Red Cross volunteers in Southern California.
This is very difficult to watch, and you sit and pray and hope that everything ends well.
He's been helping people through disasters for over 4 years and says fires feel the most impactful.
So I've responded to numerous fires across the United States, and it always hits pretty close to home. Not only is stuff literally melted and destroyed and incinerated, but the lives, photos, and pictures of history of people's lives and their family literally up in flames.
In Salt Lake City, Maya Constantino, Fox 13 News, Utah.